Fatigue is not always physical. Often, it is emotional. Introverts absorb the world differently. Every interaction leaves a trace. Every conversation lingers. Their minds replay moments long after they end. Their emotions continue processing what others quickly release. And slowly, without warning, exhaustion settles in. Not the kind that sleep fixes, but the kind that silence repairs. Yet guilt often follows rest. A quiet voice inside whispers that you should be doing more, being more, giving more. This voice does not come from within. It is learned. From a world that measures worth in productivity. From expectations shaped by noise and speed. But introverts live by a different rhythm. Their nervous systems respond to stimulation intensely. Crowds, conversations, emotional labor, decision-making. Each drains their internal reserves. Rest becomes regulation. Without it, the mind becomes cluttered. The body tightens. Emotions blur. Stillness allows integration. It gives the brain time to process. The heart time to soften. The nervous system time to reset. Guilt tells you rest is weakness. Psychology tells you it is maintenance. The mind requires quiet to organize experience. Without pauses, it fragments. When you rest, your thoughts slow, your breathing steadies, your emotional world realigns. You return to yourself, and this return is essential. Rest is not withdrawal. It is restoration. It is how introverts survive a world that asks too much, too often. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to step back. You are allowed to exist without producing. Silence is not absence. It is repair.